These are the elevators here at Neiman Marcus, Union Square, San Francisco, California.
That's weird. California codes.
These are extremely early Montgomery KONEs.
This is long.
They got the caps. They even have them.
They
for some
replaced
reason.
that to KONE.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. These run a lot better now.
I like Series 220.
Traction ones are pretty rare.
Oh, yeah, no kidding.
Especially ones with the VFD indicator.
That too.
Oh, oop, someone coming.
What for?
6, please. Thanks.
Stop on every floor.
That's what it feels like.
Going up? There's room.
What for?
What floor are you headed to?
3, please. Thank you.
Really?
Oh, man.
Have a good day. These have an afterclick.
Mm-hmm.
They do.
These could be Montgomery.
Yes.
No, I don't know.
I don't think this always used to say KONE. I
No,
think
it
this is a new cabinet door.
There you go.
Go ahead.
Thank you guys.
Have
Have
a
a
good
great
day.
one.
I like how the buttons like slowly fade off.
What's this KONE?
It's matte though.
Do you want to switch?
No, these are gonna be so good.
A lot of Monty in them. I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. I honestly think these
And
could
the
be.
escalators here are very old Montgomery, so.
Maybe these are like prototype 220s.
That could be. Coming down?
Run down.
Yes.
What for?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Are you guys heading to the men's department?
No, we're just interested in elevators. It's our hobby.
Oh, well, that's an interesting hobby, I guess.
It's quite different.
You have a good day.
You too.
Go to and then one.